track. Big holes that they have filled up out there. Nothing to it. There they go. Auto.com machine. Chevrolet. What's to the white top? There it is. Charge. Here we go. Of Milla, Pennsylvania. This is Aidan Hodges, and on borrowed time, triple turbocharged Cummins. On borrowed time, 3:05. Into third place you go. Third place.
you can name that one. Give me a thumb up. His name's
Oh yeah. Well, that's because they didn't keep my old computer reactors down.
Martin, the Meadville Chevrolet from Mount Pleasant, Pennsylvania, continues to lead it. Out on the line. This one has a pretty odd name. It's called the Ghost on a Rope. Somebody gets by the lead now, they're going to have to do a heck of a driving job in order to get past the leader at this point. Because each one of these trucks is non-compliant. We'll see what the story is here. Maybe they thought it would work. Nope, he's going to leave the track and will not be able to compete tonight. Now, what does that mean exactly, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. When USAC, good looking truck for Richard Murphy. Has a certain dimension. He is currently the number 2 truck playing with USAB. He has had multiple wins on the circuit and multiple wins on the national circuit. He was the winner in Altoona, Pennsylvania earlier this year, 3rd at Warren County, 2nd at Buffalo, New York. Definitely one of the top trucks on the circuit. Owned by Calvin Miller of Guys Mills. It's a 2002 Dodge as a triple turbocharged, running in the red. And he will get a mark of 315, but they're in 3rd place right now. At 315, he moves to number 3 in the class. The leader continues to be Doug Martin with that. On the run. Carter, he's from McDonald, Pennsylvania, down south of Pittsburgh. It's a 2005 Ford. Can't tell you a thing about it because I've never seen the truck on the track. It's what you might call a sleeper. And I guess one of the main things we'll find out is if the hit will work. A good accounting of himself here tonight. We're going to mark of 270 feet, 270. Now while he does have 2 wheels on the back, keep in mind that the tires on that truck are T-O-C tires. Those are not corner tires, those are T-O-C tires. Cubic inches. There is no cubic inch limit in this class. You can have as big a motor as you want. This one we call a mounted motor. Get this, 700. to be that Warren Chevrolet. He's got a 1-foot lead over Jaden Litton in that pink Dodge. Calvin Miller's third. Fourth place right now is Chris Kizak from Guysville. So 2 trucks in the top 5. And on the line right now, the sponsor of the class is Warren Diesel Injection. And this will be Jesse Warren, the owner of Warren Diesel Injection. His truck is called Sharkbait, the 2005 Ford F-250. We've got a new leader! How about this? How are they going to do? The trophy's presented by Warren Diesel Injection, and Jesse Warren just won it.
Takes the win at his hometown fair at 34 miles an hour. Almost 339 feet.
What a way to come home to roost. A guy from right here in Cooperstown, Pennsylvania, and he will be your winner tonight. Jesse Warren. Second place will go to Doug Martin and the HuffmanAuto.com machine. Third will be Jaden Littman with Something to Prove. Calvin Miller will finish fourth with Running in the Red. Chris Kizak will get number 5 with the hand grenade. And number 6 will go to Goat on the Rope for tonight's event. We truly hope that we've been able to bring a little bit of enjoyment to you here as we've had a lot of heavy-duty equipment go down the track. It's been a great evening here at the Crawford County Fair.
Congratulations. Jesse, where'd you go? That was awesome. You get your whole crew in there, Jesse?
Just get one with Jesse.
Anybody you wanted to pick.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for attending tonight's event here at the Crawford County Fair. And on behalf of the Crawford County Fair and Full Production and USA Eats the Sled Pulling, this is your track announcer, Rick Fight, saying away most pleasant good evening.
Thank you. Awesome. All right. Hey, now one more.
Yeah,
I need one more. Yeah, I don't want to be in this one. Thank you.
Yeah, all the way.
Thank you.
Great night, guys.
There you go. Hang on.
That's a new one.
Great night.
Damn it, that felt good. About damn time. God, that was. I like to read
Just say it and look at it.
Hey Jesse, how'd it feel, man?
Real good.
Yeah.
Happy with
Congratulations.
that. Couldn't be happier. Thank you.
This event is made possible by these sponsors. Here's a couple of videos that we think you'll like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the top left corner. Thanks for tuning in.